wick away the heat. You will have to kind of hold it longer. There we go. Just holding it on the side with the fresh solder kind of transfers the heat in there, gets it melted, and then you can suck it right out. Alright, so now it's time just to kind of quickly inspect, make sure that you didn't miss any holes, that everything looks good, all of the solder is removed, at least from the